Homes are meant for living, and most of us have pretty busy ones. So you'll want to make sure you have a floor that will match your life. This is why vinyl flooring is a very popular choice, as it's low maintenance, great value and long lasting, with a style to suit everyone. You can really get the benefits of vinyl flooring if you know how to maintain and care for it, which is what I'm here for. I'll take you through some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your vinyl floor and keep it looking its best. At UK Flooring Direct, we offer 3 types of vinyl: luxury vinyl, rigid core vinyl, and sheet vinyl. In some ways they differ, but they all share one thing in common. They all need to be regularly swept and vacuumed, and any spillages treated too. The best way to keep your vinyl floor looking its best is with regular mopping. Now, there are a few stains that are pretty common in households, but I've got the solutions to keep your vinyl flooring looking its best. Green and noticeable grass stains. It may seem like a stubborn stain, but you must avoid the temptation to use harsh cleaning products like bleach or abrasive scourers, as these could permanently damage your vinyl. So, what you're going to do is grab a lemon, cut it in half, place it on the stain and leave it there for a few minutes. Then use a damp cloth to wipe the green away. Repeat this a couple of times until gone. Easy as that. Another common stain that isn't exactly a stain, but it will still leave a pesky print, is scuff marks. Often from furnishings like moving chairs back and forth, these marks can come from shoes too, but not to fear. There is another simple solution for this. Get some argan or jojoba oil and a cotton bud and apply a small amount of oil to the scuff mark. Then just gently work away with your cotton bud. Now this may take some patience, but eventually you'll be scuff mark free. Top tip: if this doesn't do the trick, give some water displacing solution a try for any extra stubborn scuffs. When you've done any type of cleaning and used any solution, homemade or shop bought, you always need to rinse after. By rinse, I don't mean soak through, just wipe away any leftover cleaning product with a cloth. This is both for maintenance and cleaning, as leftover product can discolor or attract more dust and dirt due to its stickiness. For a more in-depth look into maintaining vinyl flooring and even more tips and tricks, head over to our website.